Hello everybody, and welcome to our 13th lecture, where we will talk about the industrial software in the information communication technology in industry and the future of development of information communication technology in industry. Of course, information communication technology in industry depends on the software that is strictly designed to maintain the purpose to organize the business process within an industry, no matter what kind of specific business we are talking about. It can be an architecture, it can be a construction, music, and motion picture. The type of application software for a specific purpose may depend on the purpose, and here we are talking about the desktop publishing system, for example, for electronic imposition of textual information, pictures, and other form of representation that should be placed on the rigid content within a constraint that are designed for a publication. And the software, for example, that can be used in this purpose are Adobe packages like Adobe Photoshop and other products from this company, the CorelDRAW, the FrameMaker, the Venture, Mist Publisher, and many others. The users of them are specific employees that should know only this kind of software and have to be professional within it. Another type of a software is the computer-aided translation, the special organized packages that are designed for a specific purpose to transform the scientific information, for example, into a text. And for maintaining this business process, we need a specific tools that can easily bring the instruments to transform mathematical formulas into a text and print them according to their logic and positions. The example of such a software can be a Trados, DjVu, LaTeX, Star Translate, and many others. The users of this software typically are scientists and professors in universities. Another type is an electronic encyclopedias, textbooks, and dictionaries. And one of the example of users can be a school students or scientists or experts in different spheres that use a specific application to maintain their business process and to produce the necessary output. And they typically use a CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, Ventures, and Microsoft Publisher. Another kind of a software that is designed for a specific purpose is a database management system, where we have a very wide landscape of vendors and software providers. And database management system can be localized on the personal computer and can be remote database management system or even distributed. And one kind of an example can be a Microsoft SQL server, can be an Oracle database management system, and many other open source database management systems, including the IBM DB2 and other, the Teradata and document-oriented storages. Who are the users of this database management system? It can be a user that uses their PC for maintaining their business, and it can be a specific trained personal like database administrator that come from a computer science, that they can organize the data, they can control the stability of the data, durability of the data, and consistency. Another kind of a software can be a video editors. The video editors may be represented like Adobe Movie Maker, VSDC video editor, OpenShot, and many other software that may help to slice and dice a video stream that can control the sequence of the frames and include within the frames subtexts or advertisement information. And for this purpose, we need a specific software and specific employees that can work with this particular software. And other kind is the computer-aided design engineering, like case packages and CAD packages that help to draw diagrams, that help to draw 3D models, like help to draw sketches. And one of the example of those software can be an AutoCAD, the 3D Max, the 3D Maya, Blender, and many other computer-aided design software that help to produce the product that can be used to deliver the finished elements of a business process. The users of this software are typically engineers that are trained, like architects, like software engineers, like instructors, and many other. Accounting system, absolutely different kind of a software that help to maintain the financial accounting systems, like incomes of money, the outflow of money, that can control the distribution of products and can control expenses and profits. The example of such a software can be 1S in our country, it can be other SAP systems, and the users of them are typically accountants and that are not tightly coupled with the software engineering, but have to know particularly and specifically this area and this software from the beginning to the end. And other kind of a software package that are used in general in all the industries, in all the businesses and schools and university are office work integrated system that are typically represented by Microsoft Office, but now we have a lot of different examples of open source software that are accessible freeware, like LibreOffice, OpenOffice, and macOS. Apple deliver their software freeware to maintain the documents, the spreadsheets, and the presentations. Also, you can find the cloud system based like Google Docs and Microsoft Azure.